Coconut wine.
Coconut wine.
My father getting coconut wine straight from the coconut tree. We call it tuba, guys. Tuba in Tagalog or Filipino.
Okay.
So when the coconut wine becomes old, like days or weeks, it will turn into vinegar.
It changes color too, right?
Yeah, it changes its color.
What did he do
It
there?
will become orange.
He tied that part. What is that?
That's where the coconut wine
Drips
comes from or drips from.
Oh,
Yeah.
very nice.
Wow.